this video, we will point out the various components of the control valve. This is the front face of the control valve, which contains the display screen and the 4 keypad buttons that are used for programming the system. This is showing the inlet side view of the control valve, where raw water enters the valve as indicated by the directional arrow. This is the side view of the power head assembly along with its power connector. This area is known as the valve body that houses all the internal components. This is where the injector set and screen will be found behind this injector cover. This is the meter cable that measures the flow of water that passes through the system. This is the brine line elbow, which contains the brine line flow control. This is one of the secure clips that keeps the valve body attached to the bypass valve. There's another clip on the other side of the control valve as well. This is the inlet side bypass valve knob that is currently in the closed position. This is a plug and secure clip that generally should not be removed. If necessary, it could be removed to help obtain a raw water sample. You're now seeing the back side of the control valve, which shows the power head backplate. There are 4 screws that keep the front display cover in place. And this is where you'll find the control valve serial number label. Your system's model and serial number label will also be found on the back side of the power head. This is the drain line elbow, which contains the drain line flow control. This is the outlet treated water side and inlet raw water side plumbing connections to the system, and the secure clips that will keep the plumbing adapters in place. And this is another angle of the power cable connection for the power transformer. If you were to remove the bypass valve, the turbine located in the outlet side port of the control valve body is exposed. The meter cable works in combination with this turbine. The turbine contains a magnet on either side, and as water passes through, the turbine spins, allowing the control valve to measure the volume of treated water passing through the system. You're now seeing the outlet treated water side view of the control valve. The water flows out of the control valve from this side as shown by the arrow. Here's another side view of the power head assembly. This is another angle of the drain line elbow, which contains the drain line flow control. This is the other secure clip that keeps the valve body attached to the bypass valve. This is the outlet side bypass valve knob that is currently in the closed position. And this is the other plug-in clip that generally should not be removed, but again, if necessary, could be removed to help obtain a treated water sample. And here we've arrived back to the front face of the control valve, and we've now seen all of the external control valve components.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.